Naalala ko many years ago, nung nagsisimula pa lang ako magpastor sa simbahang ito, I'm not trying to make this message about me, but let me tell you a story. Nung nagsisimula po ako noong 2013 na magpastor ng church na ito, pag nag-i-invite ako ng mga kapamilya, ayaw nilang pumunta kasi sa Caloocan daw maraming snatcher. Dito daw sa Kamanaba, laging binabaha. Takbuhan daw ito ng mga snatcher. Tapos yung pastor nyo pa bulol, hindi makapagsalita ng diretsyo. Pero sino bang mag-aakala na gagamitin ng Panginoon yung bulol na pastor, yung isang lugar na laging binabaha, yung lugar na takbuhan ng mga snatcher to make an impact to millions of people all around the world. Because sometimes, God will use the mess, God will use the bad news to bring the miracle to each and every one of us. I have never imagined that God is going to use this platform to reach millions of people worldwide. I have never imagined na dadali ng Panginoon ang simbahan. By the way, noong 2013 na magsimula ako maging pastor, malaki na ang Gia Kamanaba. O monumento pa noong time na yon. We have literally hundreds of people, and at that time, 100 people is already big. Pero sino ba mag-aakala na kaya pa palang i-level up ng Panginoon yung inaakala mong malaki na? Kaya don't settle for less. Because God is able to do immeasurably above and beyond what you could think or imagine. Minsan, it's your mind that makes you small. Minsan, yung thinking natin, yung pangarap natin, ang nagpapaliit sa kakayanan ng ating Panginoon. Pero sino ba mag-aakala that God will use yung simbahan with 100 members to now literally tens of thousands of members all across the world?